Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are simulating an temperature monitoring system using Arduino LM35 temperature sensor and a 16x4 LCD display in Proteus. So first, let's open up Proteus software and then click on New Project. Here, we will type our project name and then click on Next. So here we will get our workspace. Now we will add the required components for our simulation. So I will click on pick devices here and search for Arduino Uno. Here I will get the Arduino and I will double click on this component. The next component we required is an LM35 temperature sensor. So here we will get our temperature sensor. I will double click this. Then next we will need an 16x4 LCD display. I will double click on this. After that we will need a potentiometer and I will double click on this potentiometer. After that we will start to connect this. First we will add our temperature sensor into the workspace. Then I will add our Arduino. After that I will connect the pin number 2 of the temperature sensor to the analog output 0 of the Arduino. Then here we will click on terminal modes and then power. After that I will click on ground. Then we will connect the pin number 1 to the power and pin number 3 to the ground of the temperature sensor. Then we will give a 5V supply. Click on OK. After that we will add our display. And then we will add a potentiometer here. Then first we will ground this pin, PSS pin. Here click on terminal modes and then ground, and we will ground this PSS pin. After that we will give a 5V supply to the VDD pin. I will select power and then right click this and rotate 180 degree and connect this to the power. After that I will double click on this power and give a 5V supply to it and then click on OK. Then we will connect the VEE pin of the LCD to the potentiometer and we will again give a power to the potentiometer. We will click on power and rotate this 180 degree and connect the positive pin to the power supply, and then we will give 5V supply to the potentiometer, and here we will click on ground to ground the potentiometer. Now we will connect the RS pin to the digital pin 7 of the Arduino. Now we will connect the RW pin to the ground. Now we will connect the E pin of the LCD to the digital pin 6 of the Arduino. Now we will connect the D4 pin to the digital output pin 5 number of the Arduino. Then we will connect the D5 pin of the LCD to the digital pin 4 of the Arduino, and then D6 pin to the digital pin 3, and D7 pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Now our connection is ready. Now we will need to write in code for our simulation. So here is the code. I will give it in description. I will copy this code and then open our Arduino IDE. Here I will paste our code and then I will go to File and save this code. Type the name and I will save it on the desktop. Now we will need to select the board for our project. So I will click on board and then type Uno. Here I will get Arduino Uno. I will select this board and click on OK. Now we will see an overview of the code. Here we have included the liquid crystal library for the LCD, and we have configured the RS, E, D4, D5, D6 and D7 pin of the LCD to the following Arduino digital output pins. We have made various float integers such as voltage, temperature sensor, so that we can get the value from the temperature sensor to the Arduino. And here we have used the formula to convert the temperature to the Celsius and to the Fahrenheit. So now we will click on compile and then click on sketch and then export compiled binary. And after the compiling is done, we will again click on sketch and then show sketch folder. So we will see our project is saved in this path. Now we will minimize this and again open our Proteus simulation. Here double click on Arduino and then select the program file. Now go to desktop and here is our project name, saved project name in Arduino IDE, and here we will get our hex file. We'll click on this file and then click on open and then OK. Now our simulation is almost ready. We forgot one thing, that we need to change the register value of the pot to 10k. After that I will give supply to the Arduino and also ground the Arduino. Now our simulation and connections are done. Now I will click on run the simulation and here our LCD starts and it gives us the value of the temperature. Here I will increase the temperature and you can see the temperature changes here in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can see the values changing here. If I minus, the temperature decreases. So this was a simple temperature monitoring simulation in Proteus. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.